आनंदपुर अग्निकांड में एक के बाद एक मजदूरों की मौत ने पूरे राज्य को झकझोर कर रख दिया है। लेकिन इस भीषण हादसे के बाद भी घटनास्थल पर राज्य के अग्निशमन मंत्री सुजीत बोस के नहीं पहुंचने को लेकर सियासत और तेज हो गई है। विपक्ष लगातार सरकार पर निशाना साध रहा है। इसी बीच घटनास्थल पर राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस भी पहुंचे। उन्होंने मौके पर जाकर पूरे इलाके का निरीक्षण किया और राज्य प्रशासन की भूमिका पर कड़ी टिप्पणी की। राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस ने कहा कि इस हादसे में कई कीमती जिंदगियां चली गई हैं। इस मामले में कोई भी जिम्मेदारी से बच नहीं सकता। यह जरूरी कदम नहीं उठाए गए। कानून लागू करने वाली एजेंसियों ने अपना कर्तव्य ठीक से नहीं निभाया। न निगरानी थी, न ही पर्याप्त अग्नि सुरक्षा व्यवस्था मौजूद थी। मैं आंख बंद करके नहीं बैठ सकता। शहर और राज्य में इस तरह की घटनाएं बार बार हो रही हैं। मैं यहाँ सिर्फ राजनीति करने नहीं बल्कि फैक्ट फाइंडिंग के लिए आया हूँ।
It's a very shocking, sorrowful and distressing sight. Precious human lives have been lost in the fire. You know, all the stakeholders are involved in this. Particularly the law enforcement authorities should own up the responsibility. See, instead of reactive mourning, we should have proactive action to be taken. Before, during and after a fire, there are certain steps that should have been taken, which has not been taken in this case. That is what resulted in the fire. The law enforcement agencies, the owner of the warehouse, all are responsible in equal measure for the mishap that has taken place. See, the law has to be implemented forcefully, effectively. Inspections have to be done on time. Supervision should be there. The fire alarm, firefighting equipment, fire escape routes, all these should be checked periodically and certificate to be issued by the authorities. Here we see there is a lapse from the part of many stakeholders, which cannot be condoned in any case because this is not the first fire that happens here. The basic tenet of safety is that accidents are not accidental. There should be a human factor behind it. We cannot allow this to continue. I, as governor, has formulated an advisory, which I will be issuing very immediately through the ex-handle. It will also be given to the press. You see, we cannot close our eyes on this kind of mishaps. See, we, right from the days when it happened in Kumbakonam in the school, and also in the global area also. See, for instance, in America, where everything is said to be perfect, in the IROC theater, which was advertised that it is foolproof, it is fireproof, but 600 persons died. So we cannot allow this to continue anymore in West Bengal. So everybody has to open their eyes and see that before, during and after, whatever steps have to be taken, the accepted steps by the world of safety, that has to be taken. Implementation has to be effective. Soft state cannot be allowed in this kind of cases. Soft state means the rules are there, law is there, but law is not enforced properly. That soft state, that syndrome is what is we are seeing in here. The repeated incidents like this happening in many other parts of the state. This cannot be allowed to continue any further.
So in the recent past, we saw that there have been many incidents of fire that have taken place. Do you think there have been some lapses on the part of the state government?
See, I am here on a fact-finding exercise, not on a fault-finding exercise. I do not want to blame anybody, but the fact remains that there has been failure from the part of the law enforcement authorities. Otherwise, this kind of repeated incidents would not have taken place. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
प्रभातखबर.com, विश्वास वही, रफ्तार नहीं।